Hello all! In this video, we are going to see how to get a premium domain for free in few minutes. To do this, first visit the website www.imnk.com. Once the page is completely loaded, hover on Tools and click on Free Domain. Now click on the image that says Get Free .design domain for a year. You will be taken to a new page like this. Alternatively, you can click the link in the description. Now choose your desired name. If it is available, click Checkout on the right side. As you can see, the price is $0.00. Now click Continue. In this page, you have to enter your username and password choice and then enter the personal details like email address, physical location, phone number, and check mark the I am not a robot button. Once you finish this, scroll down a bit and select yes or no to receive promotional emails and then click Create Account. If you are getting 404 error like me, do not worry. Now go to your registered email. Open the email from Port 1 support and click the link Verify my email address. If it asks you for the verification code, copy paste the code from your email. Check the terms of service and click Submit. Now your email address is verified. Next, go back to port1.com and click the cart icon on the top right corner. You will see your previously chosen domain name. You also get free email hosting for 1 year. Now click Continue to Billing. Here you have to enter your payment details only for validation, but they will not charge you any amount. They'll take $1 as authorization to validate if you're a real person and they'll refund it back to your account. Now click Pay. It might take few seconds to authorize your payment and return to the dashboard. Indian users may be asked to enter OTP. That is it. Now we have successfully registered our .design domain name. You can use this for free for 1 year and after that you can choose to renew or migrate to a different domain provider. If you do not plan to renew it, turn off the auto renew option. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more such exciting videos. Thank you.